All right, hey guys, we are back. We are getting stuff ready. We're starting to get products coming in for the ZR2, the Colorado ZR2, Tina's Colorado ZR2 right here. And as you can see, when you look at this thing compared to that 4Runner, this thing's a big beast. Look at the size difference, huge beast, and even bigger than my Gladiator. It's a big truck, and it's fine. I mean, it's still mid-size, but it's up high, that kind of stuff. And this is also Tina's truck. So one of the things we are putting on this is going to be side steps for her. Okay, this is not too bad to get in and out of, but when you look at this in reality, again, I'm 5'6". Look at this. This is a big step. This is a big hike up to get in and out of this truck. Now you can also, it's very easy to step on the rock rail and use that as well if you wanted to. However, there are two concerns here with that. One is they have this rubber strip right here, this rubber seal that's on here. Okay, this rubber seal that is for the door seal. It should have been put on. You got one on the door here too, but this is an extra seal for that, and I don't want to break that. Okay, when you're stepping on this rock rail, you're close to that. I don't want to risk that for her. I don't use it. I just step right in. For me, I just basically just climb right in the truck and go right in, and I'm in, and it's no big deal. But for her, that's there, and then stepping out, again, stepping on that, you got to worry about that rubber seal. Worries me a little bit on there for using the truck that way if you're getting in and out. And then on top of that, like I said, my wife is just, I'm a short guy at only 5'6". Well, she's a little shorter than I am even. And on top of that, she's a girl. So we have to deal with high heels. We have to deal with skirts, dresses, things like that make that kind of difficult. So we reached out to Oedro, which is also the ones that have made many of the products that are on my Gladiator that you guys see on there. And they had some side steps that I was really liked. Tina really liked. They looked nice and they were functional. And so we got them right here. I believe that's what this box is. I'm pretty sure this is those side steps. So we're going to take a look at them for the first time. But they are a kind of aggressive version. And so functional, but also have a little bit of attitude to them. Now, if I ever take over this truck, I personally myself, I will actually save these because I will put the rock rails back on this for me when I take this over, because I don't want the side steps so much for the off-road stuff. But so I would put these back on. But these side steps here are going to be perfect for her, and also I think, like I said, they're going to have the right look to it. Look at these cats. We don't own a cat, okay? These are neighborhood cats that just run around, but Tina does feed them sometimes, so they definitely like to hang out here. Look at this. Look at these crazy guys. Hey, what are you doing in there? But anyway, we are excited too, so we're going to open this up, and oh, here's one right there, and they're not real heavy. Nice. I'm excited to see what they look like in real life here, so I'm going to go ahead and open one of these. We'll be right back with you. Right now, see what this dude's all about. They sure are packaged well. You know, there's nothing happening to these. They did a good job. They're wrapped up real good. Box is real thick. Box has got real good reinforcements everywhere in it. I like seeing that because you never know with the way things are shipped today, you know, how the shipper is going to handle this stuff. So I like seeing them wrapped well. And that is definitely wrapped up well. There it is right here. The Oedro side step. Look at that. Nice beefy look to it. Nice aggressive look to it. That's nice. Powder coated. It's also E-coated underneath the powder coating, so that's a very nice feature on it. And again, affordable. Very nice prices. Here they are side by side. We got the driver's side, and we got driver's side there, passenger side here. And then in here we also have our directions, which we'll look at, and we got our, looks like our mounting brackets are in here too. More mounting brackets right here. But that there is our official look at those rails. Now, once we get them, we'll get the brackets open up, we'll get those ready, we'll get them installed, and we'll be back with you here as we show you the process on how all that goes once I get everything laid out. See you in a few. Look at how well they wrap these. These are your brackets for the driver's side. Look at that. They're almost like in a synthetic leather They got them packaged in here where nothing is going to happen to them. This is our hardware kit. It's going to take me like 20 minutes to get into this thing, which is good because we know you're never going to lose anything. No bolts are going to fall out and then fall out of the holes that the shippers poke in the box. You know, this thing is, I mean, they got it all dialed in right here. This is a pretty sweet setup. They did a good job on this. So we're going to open all this up and be careful that I don't drop them through my deck. But man, the packaging on these, straight up top shelf. Straight up top shelf packaging all the way around. Love that about them. My tonneau cover I have on there was the same way. They just do a really good job. That's how simple it is. 2 rails, 3 brackets for the passenger side, 3 brackets for the driver's side, and a simple hardware kit. This is a very easy install. There's nothing complicated about putting these on. We're going to take off our old rails, these rock rails. We're going to take them off. These are going to be stored in our back garage and saved, and then we're going to slap these puppies on. So we'll show you that once we get it rolling. For those of you guys wondering what it looks like, what a ZR2 would look like without the rails on it, there it is for you right there. We just took them off because we're putting the side steps on, but you can see it right there. Looks pretty dang big and beefy without them, actually. Looks good. There it is without them. Here it is with them on here, still on this side. So you can see them. I like them, but you can see the difference. They definitely hang down a lot lower, even over the rock rail. When you look at that, look at where this pinch seam is right here and how much further down those hang than that pinch seam. You can see right there, they're cool. They're rails. They're not a true rock rail. They're not frame mounted. They're still rocker mounted, but you can see a difference. Look at that. There's a lot more here, height in there, a lot more clearance with those out of there that way. That's for sure. So here they are right here. Good beefy brackets. They're well built, double bolted on each one, a bolt here and a bolt there on there. Well made, but they are still rocker mounted. They are very nice, very good, but rocker mounted, not frame mounted. So you got to take that into consideration. I don't think I go jacking the vehicle up or expect to support the weight of the vehicle on them, but there it is without them if you wanted to see. Without, with. But this is the stock ones. We're about to put on and install Tina's new side steps. All right, to install these is super simple. So what we got here, we got brackets, 3 for the driver's side, and which is sitting right here, and we have 1 for the, or 3 for the passenger side. Now, because I have a ZR2, I already had the rock rails on there, so I already had these clips in there, in the holes. I'll show you underneath there, provided by General Motors. But Oedro also gives you clips here as well too, to be able to use if you want to. I'm just using the existing GM ones because they're already in, but they're the same exact thread size for the bolts, so that makes it really nice. They are so all that stuff matches right up perfect. But basically what we got here is we have our basically a bracket, this and those clips, and here's how they're gonna go. Let me crawl under here and show you. So you got these holes right here's where we disconnected that from. See these clips that are already in there? These are the ones that are provided by General Motors. They're already in, so they're already there for us. Here's what it's like. Okay, you put the bracket in there, put the bolt right in, you're done. But like I said, they do provide the same exact clips if you didn't have them. Like if you had a Trail Boss or any Colorado that didn't already have these clips in here, these are they supply them in the kit for you already. We're gonna put up the first one, the second one, skipping the third one and going straight to the fourth one is our plan, because these Oedro steps have 3 brackets. The Colorado ZR2 rock rails, the actual rails, rock rails that were on here that are mounted on the other side over there. I don't know if you can see them, but those rock rails, they take 4 positions. So that is the game plan here. We're going to use the first, the second, and the fourth here for us for our setup. So we'll get these brackets installed. We'll be right back. All right, well, we got one mounted, and I will show you how they mount, but there it is right there. Take a look at that. It's a good looking side step. That's very good, and it's up nice and high and tight. I'll show you that as well too. They're on there, solid step, works good, easy in and out now. We really like that, so I'll show you that when we do it here. But so what happens here, we already hung these brackets. I showed you that. We hung these already. Once you have those hung and in place, all you're gonna do is just line this up and run the bolts through there, and that's what's going to hold these. There's a little bit of adjustment there, but that's what's going to hold them. So it's real easy. Now, people are going to say, oh my God, you're giving up so much ground clearance with those. You're going to rip them off-road. Oh my God, all that kind of stuff. What's nice about this design, there's a single tube all the way down there. It's that whole bottom tube. You see that? Let me show you something. If we look at this, we are about 14.5 inches to the bottom of that rail, okay? To the bottom of that rail on there. If we come over here to the original rock rail, quote unquote rock rail, because it is not a real rock rail, because it is not frame mounted, but we are at, hang on, I'll pull this out so I can work here better, hold on. There we go, all right, and we are at 14.5 right here. So you got the same height and same ground clearance as you do with your factory rails on here, but now you gain the option of a step. That is a beautiful thing. And that's what I liked about these steps when we picked them, was the fact that we're not losing anything there. Now, are these going to be better if we go hitting stumps and stuff? Yeah, for sure. They're much better designed for that. These ones here are a side step. These are a side step, but they also do not give up any more clearance. And so, like I said, that's not a bad thing necessarily, and we actually gain a step. Here, if I like to show you as an example, right here like this. Now, to get into here, look at this. How nice that is. Simple, easy in, even on the way out. Simple and easy to get in and out. We have nice steps for the front passengers and for the back passengers right there. Sweet, simple, and easy. So nice, simple install. And like I said, the only thing I didn't show you was that once you get these brackets on there, and these are all hung, I already showed you that, all you're going to do is hold that step up and punch the bolts through there. Push 2 bolts right through there and then adjust your height. That's all there is to it. Sweet, simple, and easy. We'll show you the whole thing once we get it all completely done. And there we have them right there. There's those side steps on, set, perfect. Right there like that. Right here like that. And we have them and fully functional. And they look dang good on the truck. And like I said, for Tina, in dresses, skirts, heels, everything, that will be the perfect way for her to get in and out of here and not have to deal with that. So very good job. I like them, and like I said, very impressed with them. Always been very happy with Oedro stuff. Like I said, I got Oedro stuff on here too. This tonneau cover here, Oedro, is held up for almost 2 years, year and a half. It's been through the ringer, and it has been phenomenal. And they're affordable priced, and they're good quality stuff. I like them a lot. I'll put all the specs and details for these down below for you, as well as a discount code or link or whatever it is that they give me. Usually they do give me something like that for you guys, and whatever we have, we will put it down below for you on this stuff. But there it is right there. I think it looks really good on the truck. And like I said, they don't sit any lower than the regular rock rails did, which is a beautiful thing. They're tucked up in there nice, and they look good, they fit good, they function good. I got nothing that I can complain about on those. Like I said, very impressively done. All right, there you go. Thanks for watching.